I wanted to show you guys this balloon arch kit that I purchased for my kid's birthday. I've made a few of them out, balloon arches out of these kits already, and I find them to be just a really fun way to decorate for my kid's birthday. If you're looking for a way to decorate for your kid's birthday, or a different celebration, this is definitely an awesome kit to have, and you can use over and over again. It was really easy for me to assemble. That's the water bag that you fill up and then you put for the base so it doesn't blow around. You just put it like the poles in on each side. After you blow up the balloons, you attach them to this like circle ring, these like clips. So four go onto one clip, and then you slide them onto the pole to create the arch. It comes with everything you need in this one kit. It's like super straightforward, really simple. Didn't take me long to do. It is big, so definitely be prepared for a lot of balloons. This was another one I made for my son's birthday recently. And I think it came out really cute. He loves it. I hang different signs around it, and I've had it inside and outside, and I think they're all a really fun way to add like to a special occasion. If you're looking for an arch like this, I would definitely go ahead and grab this one if you have the space for it, inside or out. I think it's perfect and great quality. I'm not worried about it breaking.